Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make clam chowder bread bowl full guide. Start by gathering fresh clams, potatoes, celery, onion, heavy cream, butter, flour, and a sourdough loaf. Clean and dice ingredients while you preheat the oven. Reserve clam liquid for flavor and toast the bread bowl to hold chowder without getting soggy. Chop parsley and ready a ladle, then set aside salt and pepper to season at the end. Begin by sweating the onion and celery in butter until soft and slightly golden. Sprinkle in flour and cook briefly to form a roux, then whisk in clam liquid and stock until smooth. Add diced potatoes and simmer until tender, then fold in clams and heavy cream for a silky finish. Taste and adjust with salt, pepper, and a splash of lemon if you want brighter flavor before ladling into the bread bowl. If you're enjoying the video, please subscribe and hit like. It really helps keep these recipes coming. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes at the counter, with a glare-free screen and long battery life making it kitchen-friendly. I find it perfect for reference while I cook, and it fits neatly beside the stove. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Trim the top off the sourdough and hollow out enough crumb to make a sturdy bowl, leaving a good wall thickness. Warm the bowl briefly in the oven so it stays crisp longer, then ladle steaming chowder inside until nearly full. Sprinkle with chopped parsley and a grind of black pepper, serve the bread top for dipping, and offer a small side salad or crackers for texture and balance when presenting to guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.